down. Ooh, I like those. I like green peas, but you know what? I like canned green peas. I don't know about you guys. I like canned green peas.
No way.
Sandy thinks
Fresh or frozen? No can.
Now get a load of this. Sandy thinks fresh is frozen.
No, I don't. It's fresher than canned, is all I've said. It's not fresh. That's why I mentioned fresh. No, it's not even ready
Yeah,
yet.
I know. Let me try it. It looks too good.
It's Cheater's curry chicken.
What does cheaters mean?
Well, I didn't make the sauce like from scratch. It's made with a can of cream of mushroom soup and curry and garlic and cumin and other spices.
Right. So
I didn't make the sauce with like yogurt and stuff like that.
and what's going to be this?
I'm not gonna mash these potatoes
And
actually.
How are you going to mash them, dear?
I have a plastic masher, so if you wanna scoot out of my way, I can get at that.
Well, there's not enough room for both of us here.
No.
There's no shortage of wealth on the intercoastal. But since we're a little north on the intercoastal, these are actually the poor rich people. The further we get south, the more expensive the places are on the intercoastal, and there's a big difference. Regardless, these are just gorgeous. Totally manicured. Beautiful. The crab pots. Yeah, so if you know, the fishing's really big down here, and they put out these crab pots. So, and they come really close to the marked channel. These guys take every little inch that they can have to fish, and if I veer out of that lane, that imaginary lane, I will run over one, and that'll get caught in the prop and maybe bend the shaft and a whole heap of problems. So it's best that I pay attention and not text and sail here or drive, because I'm under motor right now. Yeah, crab pots, big deal in Florida. These bridges freak me out. I mean, like, it's just so scary. I mean, when you go on it, it looks like you're going to hit. And honestly, we don't have a lot of clearance there. I mean, the marker was 64.
60.
And so we only had, our antenna was probably ticking on the top of the beams. But anyways, the rest of the bridges for today are lift bridges. So, and they're very high. Some other ones are very high, so it's not a big deal. Yeah.
Another hour and we would have been scraping. Sailing vessel Navicula has passed through the lift bridge. Thank you very much, guys. Much appreciated.
This is Main Street, but it's channel 16.
Navicula back on 16.
Bringing lots of Amazon packages. We do have autopilot on board here, but I don't turn it on when Sandy's at the helm. I like to see her hand steer.
Manhandle the boat like the man that I am.
Yeah, sometimes you can be a bit of a man.
I need to keep you in check, so gotta.
Here we are. Welcome to St. Augustine's. There's the fort. Lots of people anchored out. And we're just waiting for the Lions Gate Bridge to open at 3:30 so we can go through. And then we're going to anchor on the other side. For the night, have some dinner. There's the Lions Gate Bridge, famous bridge. That's going to open up like a drawbridge. Just traveling in the intercoastal is kind of, mundane. I mean, all we're doing is trying to get to warmer temperatures, which is further south. But follow along. It should get better when we start getting into warmer waters and we can explore. Thank you. And leave a comment for Sandy to enjoy.
And John, just to piss him off. Yeah.
See you next time.